All right, so we've got the drums going on right now. There's one more instrument that we need to check out. Let me mute. So there is a side snare. Let's see if we can find where it's playing real quick. Side snare was recorded with a loud 10 snare mic. Love that mic for stuff like this. So what are we gonna do with the side snare? Let's take a listen. So you can already hear the deep tone. As always, we want to put a high pass. So because we're looking for that deep tone 92. Now let's just find the stuff we don't like so we can still get the tone to sound really good. So we can take a bit of that out. And then let's see if we can find out from the mains and maybe boost it up a bit. Without the EQ. With the EQ. Let's kill the reverb real quick so you can hear without the reverb. That's what it sounds like without the reverb and the EQ. Without the EQ and the reverb. With the EQ and reverb. Okay. Let's see. Compressor wise, let's just to help keep that in check. Now in this case, I tried something I didn't normally do. I'm using an expander in this case. Let's engage that and see what it sounds like. Now, the reason I went for an expander is because obviously without the expander you can hear all that higher stuff. I don't want that. I don't want that in the mix because it's picking a lot of the hi-hats. So what I've decided to do is use an expander to kind of bring all that down. But whenever he plays the side snare, it's more focused. Let's engage the expander right here. You see how all the hi-hat disappears, and then it's just the tone we're hearing of the side snare. Without. Now yes, it's, you know, you hear more of the, you hear the snare without, you hear less of the hi-hats when we engage the expander. Let's bring in the kick, overheads, and everything else. All right, let's bring in the band. All right, at this point, we're gonna bring in the lead vocal. Now, what we don't wanna do is leave them out there dry. So let's see what is going on with the lead vocal. So we're gonna leave the loop and the keys in there. We don't wanna expose the lead vocal. Well, it's not like we're exposing the lead vocal, but typically you don't want the lead vocal to be left dry when you're trying to tweak stuff. You wanna have help, kind of help a little bit of reference to what's going on musically. So let's listen to what's going on with the lead vocal.
To praise the name of the Lord in here. I don't know about you, but
lead vocal and BGVs were recorded with a Shure QLXD with a ST Electronics V7 MC1 capsule.
I can't deny what you've done for me. You loosed all my shackles and set me free.
Let's bring the high pass.
Wrote me and gave me the victory. I got a reason to praise. That's a reason, and I can't forget what my eyes have seen.
All right, let's start cleaning up.
Impossible, I believe. Look at my life, we got history. I got a reason to praise. Say, and I won't let rock cry out for me. 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 Oh, never let a rock cry out for me. Come on. Say I can't deny what you loosed on my. You wrote me in. Come on, I got a reason. I can't forget what my eyes have seen.
All right, so you hear what's going on with the vocals right there? We've taken out some of the mids, the low mids, some of the high frequency. Let's bring in the compressor.
Oh, I won't let a rock cry out for
We're doing
me.
a 2-2-1. Here we go.
Let a rock cry
I am
out
compressing heavily,
for me.
but you see how smooth the vocal sounds without?
Cry out.
You see how it jumps out cute?
Say never let a rock say.
Let's control that.
Never let.
Let's bring in the band right now.
Oh, I'll never let a rock cry out. Come on and lift it. No, never. I'll never let a rock. To praise the name of the Lord in here. I don't know about you, but oh, I got a reason to praise Him. I got a reason to praise, yeah. Right here. I can't deny what you've done for me. You loosed all my shackles and set me free. You wrote me and gave me the victory. I got a reason to
all right, so that's what we're doing.
And I can't forget.
Now remember we talked about the reverb.
What seemed impossible,
let's take a look at the reverb.
Look at my life, we got His story. I got a reason to praise. Say, and I won't let a rock cry out for me. I won't let a rock cry out for me. I won't.
That's what we're going on with the reverb right now.
Cry out for me.
We're doing a plate.
Let a rock cry out for me. Oh, never let a rock cry out for me. Yeah.
All right, let's engage that.
Come on. Say I can't deny what you loosed on my. You wrote me in. Come on, I got a reason.
Without the reverb,
I can't forget what my eyes have seen. What seemed impossible. Look at
with the
my
reverb.
life here. I got a reason. Oh, I won't let a rock cry out for me. Said I won't let a rock cry out for me. I won't let a rock cry out for me. Say never let a rock say. Never let.
So we're gonna do the same thing with the BGB vocals. Now, you know, full transparency, I usually would just copy the lead setting and start from there, you know, just to get a head start, you know, and then we just kind of tweak, you know. We had we had a soprano, tenor, alto that day. I think it was one soprano, one alto, one tenor, and two sopranos. We're only gonna do just 3 vocals, 1 soprano, 1 tenor, 1 alto, just to kind of get a balance. Okay, and then I try to pan them just to kind of create some space. But let's just copy the EQ settings real quick, just at the starting point, and then I'm just gonna paste it on all the other vocals on the other channels, and then we can just kind of tweak. We just kind of tweak from there. Okay. Sorry, let's do that again. I copied the send instead of the EQ. So let's go back and let's copy the EQ. There we go. Now let's come here and then let's paste the EQ. Then we're gonna paste that on all the other vocal channels. There we go. All right. So that's what we got. And then just activate the high pass, you know, usually around the same thing. And then we just kind of tweak from there. Let's listen to the piano and the beat.
Not be silent, I'm gonna keep on singing. We will not keep quiet.
That's your
We're gonna keep on praising.
Your alto,
I won't let her out.
your tenor,
Cry out
your soprano, all
for
3.
me. I won't let her out.
Let's activate the compressor.
For me. I won't
Same setup of compressor like the lead vocal.
for Never let a rock cry out. Never let a rock cry out for me. We will not be quiet. We're gonna keep. I can't deny what you've done for me. Loose all my shackles and set me free. Wrote me and gave me the victory.
Let's look at their reverb.
I got a reason to praise.
That's what we're doing. And then we're gonna activate that.
What seemed impossible, I believe. Looked at my life, we got history. I got a reason to praise. I won't let a rock cry out for me. I won't let a rock cry out for me. I won't let a rock cry out for me. Never let a rock cry out.
Without the reverb.
Never let a rock cry out for me.
With the reverb.
I can't deny what you've done for me.
Without reverb.
Loose all my shackles and set me free.
With the reverb.
Wrote me and gave me the victory. I got a reason to pray.
I can't forget what my eyes have seen. What seemed impossible.
I believe.
Look at my life,
Look at my life, we got this
I got a reason.
I got a reason to pray.
Oh, I won't let a rock
Let a rock
cry out
cry out
for me.
for me.
Said I won't